Okay, so what we'll do, we will have a circle. Okay.
Okay.
This circle will be divided into 3 parts. Here we will probably have red color. Here we will have yellow color. Here we will have green color. Okay.
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 Then we will have various dots which will be going towards this particular circle of different colors. Okay.
Okay.
Suppose this is a red color dot. You have to make sure this, when this red color dot is going to hit this circle, it should hit red. If it is going
Okay,
to
sir.
touch the green, that means it's a negative. Everyone with me?
Yes.
Okay, so very first thing, we'll go and create a sprite using paint.
Okay.
All right, so you know how to create, or you want me to guide you?
So circle, no?
Yes, first we will take a circle. So let's have inner circle of black color, small inner circle of black color.
Sir, no, first we'll do only one circle and then copy paste the code.
Yes.
So one more circle we have to
We'll
make.
just do no.
Let me, can you give me control?
Approve. Yes, sir.
Okay, so I'm saying it should look like a wheel, okay? So let's,
In backdrop we are doing, right? Not in
no,
sprite.
no, we are doing in sprite.
Okay.
So we'll have a small circle first. Then we are going to have one more circle. Okay. Okay. Everyone has done this?
1 second, sir.
No.
No, one.
Then we will draw these lines. Can you draw a line over here, Anand?
So
Yeah, sorry, my bad. Let's draw a black color line.
black.
Yeah.
Now we have to draw a white circle.
So where?
Just I'll first draw on your screen and then you can do it. Wait, huh? Let me first draw like this, and like this.
Okay.
Now we don't have to draw a circle.
No, we have drawn circle also, right? So there are 2 circles.
Oh, I can't see the white one. So do I have to make the white one?
Yes, you have to do that, Akshita.
So like this?
Yes, very good. Then what you need to do, go to this fill
Okay.
and change color over here, red or something. And just pour it on this part. Very good. Over here, make it green color. Here, make it yellow color. Okay.
Green. Okay. No, yellow.
Everyone done that?
Sir, I'm doing it. 1 second.
How did we do that?
Okay.
So like
so,
this?
Yes. Now
How
yours,
did we do that? Different colors?
how we did that? Okay. So you have to share your screen. Okay, do convert to bitmap. First let's check. Yeah, let's do convert to bitmap. Okay. Then pick this fill, change the color over here. Okay.
Oh.
So we'll call this sprite as spinner. Okay.
Spinner.
Yes. So this is going to spin. Okay. Everyone done that?
No, sir.
And let's make Saeed as 50 or something, okay?
50.
Sir, red,
50
yellow.
will be too small. I did 60.
Okay.
Sir, what are colors?
Whatever you like, just have 3 different colors, okay?
This is looking like Chrome's logo.
This looking law? Yeah,
Google
Chrome logo.
logo.
Okay. Then just name it as Google Chrome logo. Okay. All right. Okay. Krish, can you share your screen?
Sir, after him, can I share?
Okay.
He left.
He left. Okay. Sagarika, please share.
Okay.
Some issues.
How do I need to fill the colors? I didn't get you.
I'll come to you. After Sagarika, I'll come to you. Okay. Okay. It's good. Looks good.
Sir, I just have to name it now.
Okay. So now let me go to Rakshita.
Sir, what should we name it?
Spinner.
Okay.
Spinner.
Sir, I didn't understand because I don't want.
Sir, can you say?
Yeah, I'll come to you, Krish. You're very good. Okay. So you now have to fill it, right? So
Yeah.
take this fill and select one color, put it over here, second over here, third over here. Okay.
Sir, is that
Okay. Do one thing. Convert to
Convert to
bitmap.
bitmap.
okay, sir? Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Okay. Now let me go to Krish. Krish, I'll come to you. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm coming.
Sir,
Where are
Arab is
Yes.
sir?
Okay.
Sir?
Very good. Yes. So you have 2 circles or you have 1 circle?
Sir,
So now you need to first,
sir.
just give me 1 second. Let me just help Krish, then I'll come. Okay. You will
Okay.
have a smaller circle, then you will have a bigger circle. Okay. So now make a smaller circle in the center and fill it with black color. Okay. Very good. Okay. Now do convert to bitmap.
No, sir. My
Okay. You can do convert to bitmap.
where I have to first make the line. It's a bit.
Can you hear me, Krish? Yeah. You have to do convert to bitmap.
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, very good. It's taking some
Sir,
time.
how I will.
You just give me one. It's taking some time.
Sir, I've converted.
Yes, yes. I think it's an internet issue. Wait. Okay. Okay, Krishav, you can share. I think he's having internet problem.
Yes, sir.
Everyone else has created the spinner.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, after creating the sprite, what do I do?
I'm just waiting.
Sir, who is sharing?
Either Krish has to share or Krishav has to share. Let's see. Okay, Krishav has shared. Okay. So first you will make a smaller circle.
First, wait. Sir, did I have to make a big circle first?
You can make a very, yeah, let's just reduce the radius of this circle and make it black color. Fill it with black color.
Sir, I'm making the bigger circle first.
Okay. Then make a smaller circle.
Sir, why?
Okay. Then you have to fill that.
I just delete.
Okay.
Why can't I?
Okay. Now do convert to bitmap.
Sir, wait.
And then take fill with color tool.
Sir, 1 minute. I just want.
Sir, what does convert to bitmap do, by the way?
So there are two ways that you can show an image. So bitmap is the original form in which the photo is saved in computer.
Okay.
Okay. So like you have doc for Word, right? XLS. That's why we call it BMP as bitmap. Okay.
Okay. And vector?
Vector is basically for our drawings and all those. It becomes easy. So the drawing becomes much more refined, looks very better as such. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay.
Sir, he has
Krish?
to draw the lines.
Yes. And now you have to draw the line. No, first you have to draw the line. Make a black color, right? Select a black color and then draw the line. Very good.
Now you use fill with color tool. Then choose the color.
Krish, you are able to do it?
Control Z.
Click undo. The top arrow. Yeah.
Sir, why does it happen again and
Okay.
And now
Yes, very nice. Now let me go back to Sagarika. Okay. Krish, you are able to do it?
Sir, can I share?
Let me first confirm with Krish. I'm not sure. Okay. All right. Then Karan, please share. Okay. Now what we will do, since it is a spinner, we will write code for spinner. Okay. So let's write down if we are pressing the right key, then we will turn it by 5 degree. If key, if you want to say when, you can do when also.
Which key?
Right key. But this will not be like fun. Let's use the if one. Okay. No, this will not be fun. Okay. Do not use this. Use the if one. If
For which key? Up arrow, right?
yeah, if key pressed is right arrow,
Hmm.
key press is right arrow, then turn by 5 degrees. If key press is left arrow, then in the opposite direction turn 5 degrees. Okay. And put this over here, if block, put this entire thing forever.
Now 5 degrees, right?
Yes, 5 degrees. And put this a green flag and see what happens. And keep on like, see your spinner is moving or not. Okay, it's moving. Okay. Right. Try
Sir, I
to
cannot see the screen.
cannot see the screen. Krish, looks like it's an internet issue. In fact, others are
Yeah.
able to see it. Yeah. Can you connect using a mobile phone internet if the router is
Share
not working?
hotspot, yeah.
How about others? Have they done everyone this thing?
Yes, sir, mine is working.
Okay, very good.
oh, mine is not working.
Okay, now for whom it is not working, please share screen. Krish, you are able to see now?
That's working for me.
Okay, very good.
Yeah.
If right arrow is pressed, it should work. So if you press right and left, it is not working.
Press right arrow and left.
Or you are doing it on where? On your iPad or on, yes, working, right?
It's computer.
Okay, all right, it's working. Okay, no, this was for Krish.
How it is moving for one in one place.
Okay, now let me, for whom it is not working, please share. For anyone it is not working?
So it's working.
Okay. Okay, now let me go to Rakshita. Okay, Rakshita, please share. Krish, can you hear us?
Yes, sir, I now can hear.
Okay, so what all things you have done so far?
Sir, I was not able to see the screen. Now I have seen, but
So you have created the sprite, right? It's just the coding part is left.
Yes, sir, I've created. Yes, sir, coding.
Okay, just do coding. We just have if block and we just turning the thing. Okay, you just see what they have done. Or you want to share your screen? Okay, Okay. For others,
I
what
will
you?
share.
Okay. Okay, Krish, please share.
Can you see?
Not yet.
My internet is full.
Sir, I can't see his screen. Now I can see.
Very good. If now you have to over here write like key press, right? So key press is where in the sensing part it will be, right?
There's space.
Not space. If right arrow is pressed, then turn 5 degree, then go to motion. Very good. Turn 5 degree, then just duplicate those blocks.
Under it.
Yes, under it. So we'll have if left arrow is pressed, then turn 5 degree in opposite direction. Okay.
Okay, sir.
And put this in forever. Forever would be in control.
Share of them.
Okay. Now let's create one more sprite. Go to paint and create a red color circle. Create one more sprite. Go to paint and create red color circle.
The small one, sir.
Yeah, small one. So that will be dots for us, right? We are going to catch dots.
So small one.
Yeah, small one. Let's create. Yes.
Very small one.
No, this is very small. Can you make it slightly bigger?
Yes, sir. Sir, this much?
Yeah, this is good. Okay. All right. Okay. Now let's start coding for it. Let's name this as red. Okay.
Sir, it's very
Sir, wait a minute.
Okay. Krish, can you name this as red?
Okay, sir.
Sir, we
Can
have
we-
to do a new sprite.
Yes, new sprite we are creating because we have to catch. So the game is your spinner is going to move and you have to catch these colors, okay, with that particular side of the spinner, okay. We can continue.
Sir, 1 second. I'm drawing the circle.
Okay.
Right, one more add.
can't see his screen. Sir, mine is smaller. A smaller circle is fine.
It has to be small. We are trying to catch dots, right? So it has to be small.
Smaller than this is fine.
Yeah, this is good.
So should I set the size also as 60?
We will check the size later. First, let's code for it, okay? So who is going to share the screen?
Sir, me.
How can I?
How can I
I
see
think,
screen?
okay, she said first, okay? So let Sagarika go.
Okay.
Okay, let's start coding.
Sir,
So,
Sir, बंद हो गया.
okay, so now we'll start coding for the red dot, okay?
Okay.
I made it
Okay.
of green. It's okay.
Okay, yeah, okay, not a problem. Okay, so very first thing when the program start, okay, we are going to hide this particular ball. Okay, so we'll go to looks and we're going to say hide. Okay, then we will wait.
Sir,
Yes.
Wait, how many seconds?
sir,
Wait
can
for
you
1
wait?
second. Wait
By
for 1
mistakenly,
second.
I made in the same costume.
Costume. Okay. All right.
I also did that on
Okay.
So wait only 1 second.
Okay.
So we have to put a wait of 1 second.
Yes. So when our program start, we are going to wait as such. Okay.
Yeah.
So what is the use of this area?
Come again. Hello.
Yes, sir.
What is the?
And then we have to show, right?
No, will not show now. We'll show later as such. Everyone with me? They have added these two blocks.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Okay. Then put a forever block. After this, put a forever block.
Here?
No, after wait.
Okay.
And over here, put a create clone of myself block. So go to, I think it would be
But we will
in
make-
control.
But that will come in, all will come in,
So wait.
only red one. Red only will come.
Yeah, we will do
Sir,
it for
where
all
we
the
have to
colors
put-
right? Inside that. Yes, very good. Okay.
Okay.
And after that, put a wait of 1 second.
So we have to put clone.
Yeah, create clone of myself. Okay, so what we are doing right now, we are saying, whenever this program start, we are going to wait for 1 second, and then we are going to create clone, you understand, right? One more like this sprite, okay? After 1 second. And this, so every 1 second, we will have multiple red balls now, okay?
Okay.
Got
So
it?
can you wait for me in the code?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir,
So
show
that's
me the
where-
green flag.
Not yet.
Okay.
Suppose if we put a forever loop, then we won't be able to show it.
Yes, so for showing, we will create another piece of code, right? Yes, right. So when you're creating clone, you're creating it behind the scene.
Okay.
Okay, all right. You're not showing it on the screen as of now.
Yeah, okay.
Can we proceed?
Can I reduce the size of the dot? It's too huge.
Okay, you can do that.
Sir, I made the dot 90.
We can change the size later. First, let's
Where there is a create a clone of myself. We have to set
Yes, Krisha.
we have to set myself only there.
Yeah, myself
the
itself. Create clone of myself. Yeah. Okay.
So let's go.
Krish, you are able to follow?
Yes, sir. I'm able to follow.
Okay. Okay. Now we'll continue. Okay. Now let's go to control again and see, do you have something called as when I start as a clone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then drag and drop over here. Everyone done that?
Can
Then-
you please wait?
Okay.
Hello.
अरे वो छू दो
Okay, let's go back to the code again.
Okay, sir.
Okay. We will say then go to motion, and drag and drop, go to random position over here. Okay, so what we are saying, whenever a new clone is added, it will start from a random position. Okay. Okay. Then there would be something else point towards. Drag and drop this point towards. Point towards, and in the drop down, we have to point it towards the spinner.
Okay.
Okay, so our dot can start from here, can start from here, but it will all point towards this particular spinner. Okay.
Okay. Where is this go to?
So just look at the color, right? You can look at the color of the block, then you'll find it out where to find it.
Sir,
Yes.
can we change the color of the circle?
You can do it later, otherwise we will not complete the coding.
Okay.
Then, now give me a show. Show it.
Okay.
Put a show over here. Now put a green flag and show me how it looks like.
Yes, sir.
Show also.
And just run it the entire thing and show me.
Sir, it's not moving.
No, it won't move. Right? Which is not moving?
The dots.
Dot is never supposed
Dot
to move,
will
right?
not move.
We have not coded for dot to move.
We
so
have
far,
to
right?
we have to make the spinner move, right?
So we will also make the dot move, but we have not done it so far. Okay. All right. We'll make that. Okay. Can we? I just want to make sure when you're running your program, are you seeing multiple red dots or not? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Everyone has done so far this part.
Yes.
Okay. Now who is going to share the screen next?
So can I?
Okay, Anand.
1 second, I'll share.
Okay, it's working. Very good.
Now
Okay,
mine comes too big. Sorry, too many dots come.
then you have to
Yes.
change the weight.
That is
as such,
correct.
right? Okay, so now let's continue coding. Okay, we can continue.
Yes, sir.
Everyone has done this?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Now let's go to control.
Control.
Yes. So in control, there is something called a repeat until.
Yes.
Then drag and drop over here.
Okay.
Over here, they would go to sensing and say touching. In sensing, touching is there. Yeah.
Yes.
Drag and drop touching.
Touching color.
Yeah. So
Touching.
touching the spinner.
Color, yeah. Right.
Sir, repeat until.
Are not going
Touching spinner.
till there.
Touching
Okay.
spinner.
And over here, put the move steps. Move 5. Move
Repeat
5.
until block.
Okay. And now show me your code again.
Touching the spinner.
Okay.
And
So now
what is
it is
that?
coming, right?
Move 5 steps.
Yes.
Okay. For everyone, it should work like this.
Mine is weird, sir. The dots don't go away only.
That's okay, right? Because it's a random position, correct? Some dots will come, some will not come. Okay.
Sir, all my dots are sticking to the board.
Code.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
it's like solids particles.
Yeah. I'll
Yeah.
show it to you, sir. 1 minute. Can I share?
Okay.
I'll stop sharing.
Say, sir. 1 minute. What happened?
Okay. So, all right. So you have
Like
not. So
particles of
this is very
solids.
fast, right? So we have to slow it down. Forever put a weight block over here. You did not put a weight
Yeah, I
over
didn't
this.
put it because then it was looking even worse.
No, it's better, right?
No, not now. Before the dots were not vanishing only when I stopped the code.
Okay. All right. So now it looks better, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's look at others. Okay. For everyone, it is working like this.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now
Yes,
let's
sir.
continue to code. Who is going to share?
Okay,
Sir,
nice.
can I?
Okay, let Rakshita only share. Who was this green color one?
Hi.
Okay. Okay.
Excuse me,
Okay,
sir.
now, yes, Krishna.
I have a question. Sir, something is appearing on my screen and it is saying project could not save, and it's not moving on.
But that could be an antivirus that you have installed, right?
No, it is in Scratch only. Like it
Okay,
auto
show me
saves
your
projects,
screen.
no?
Show me your screen.
Sir, see this.
Yes, so yeah, so what you need to do is just say download.
I did it.
Okay, so this is because this is coming because there is some antivirus as of now. Okay, because of that, your system must be having some antivirus, or you have saved it, right? Can you close the window and then load your game again?
Sir, I don't know if it is saved.
No, it is
It is
saved, right?
saved. It is saved.
It is saved, right?
Most probably.
Why you stop?
Krish.
Okay, so we will proceed.
Krishiv,
Sir, share.
it's there.
I'll share.
Well, let Sagarika share. Yours is green color, it will become complicated. Who is Rachita? Okay, now let's continue, okay? Now what we need to do, after that, we will have if block, if touching color. So
Then
after,
we have to make score also, right? Touching color.
no, so you wait, you have to put it over here.
Sir, can we make score?
Yes, score also will make it, but let's first do it this way.
Sir, which
I
color?
did not.
Whatever color you have, now you'll choose the color, right? You're making red color. So if it is touching this particular color, you will select it using this, right?
So what we have to do?
Checking which color it is.
Yeah, so no, so do you know how to check the color?
Yes, I know.
No, but let's go back to the code. Let's go back to the code.
So what we have to
Click
do?
over here. Click over here.
Eh,
There is
Then-
like pen option.
Then click over
Pen.
here. Then go and select that color. Yes.
Yeah, you have to.
Very good. Okay. If it is touching color, okay, then we have to change the score, right? So now let's create a score variable.
Yes. Score.
Okay. So we'll say change score by 1.
Change score by 1.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
In mine, it was last saved
Score
when
by 0.
we wrote the first code.
Oh my. Okay. But can you look at this video later on? You can practice it.
I did set and change score.
I only need 2 minutes. Can you wait?
Yeah. Sure. Go ahead. For others, right?
No, for aim draft, I only have written the first code and then it got confused.
Okay.
So I only have to do like from point towards the spin.
Okay. So for others, I'm just explaining you. Okay. So what we need to do, instead of Rakshita, instead of using if block, we will use if else. Okay. So you can. Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
that'll
was
be
also going to tell this.
So let's go back to control and use if else. If touching color, then change score. Else we will create one more variable. Let's create one more variable by name lives.
What?
And lives.
Lives.
Change lives by -1. Okay, and just to delete this clone at the end. So there would be something called as delete this clone. Very good. Now just run your program and see what happens. Can you rotate your thing or not? Okay. So just practice it, will come back. Okay. So be on your screen itself so that others can copy the code. Okay.
Yes. But then this moves only towards that color, and if it touches other colors also, it will stop.
Yeah. So that's what the game is, right? You have to rotate it such a way that it should always hit your red color. Correct?
So what do we have to do after this if else?
Can I say set lives and set score to 0?
Yeah, we will do it later, but let's first everyone copy the code that you have, right?
Okay, no problem.
I did.
Everyone has done that?
Sir, 1 second.
Sir, some of the dots come very fast.
Then you have to change the wait interval, right? Instead of 1 second, make it 1.5 second, 2 seconds.
Okay.
Sir, I finished.
Now my score is 920.
Okay, so if every one of you have finished, then create one more sprite of different color. Then we will get a different ball and copy this part of code, right?
I know how to do it.
Okay.
So can you
It's very easy.
So we have to go delete this.
So why is this pen coming here?
Why is this pen?
Yeah.
Then you may have changed it actually. But at least for people who have done it, you know how to create the second ball, right? Or second dot.
Yeah, I just duplicated the sprite.
Color,
Okay,
right?
very good.
That is easy.
So just duplicate the sprite itself. And call it a different sprite name.
Yellow, I did. Great. And then we have to change the code also. Touching color.
That's it, right?
Now
Sir, my score is 7.
go to costume and change the color also to yellow, right?
Yeah, I've done that.
No, you have not done it, right? It's still red color.
I had -7 lives and I had 23 points score.
Okay, so let's go back, and you have to do it for the third ball also.
Excuse
okay?
me, sir. Can you help me?
Yes, Krish, please share.
Sir,
Sir, I'm stuck. I don't know what
Okay.
to.
Sir, you have to
Rashita,
do with everything.
yes, there are 3
Sir,
colors,
can I
right?
show mine?
Let me look at Krish, okay?
Sir, can you see?
Yes, I can see, okay? So you have created a variable. Let's go and create a variable. Create a variable and name it as score. Okay, so let's say okay. And over here, if it is touching red color, select red over here. Okay. Then you have to increase the score, right? So change score by 1. So over here, you have to change score by 1. So this variable you need to
So
change.
what is the use of this step?
Just give me 1 second, Krishav. Let me just help him. He is fallen behind. Over here, you have to select. variable you have to select, right? Change score by 1. Else, you have to reduce the lives. So go back to variables again, create a new variable. Create a new variable by name lives.
So what we have to do in this?
1 second.
Change
Chris.
by lives.
Yeah, now you will have changed lives by -1. Okay, put a green flag and see what happens.
Sir, if I even stop the code, my lives and score.
Yeah, we have to set that lives.
Okay, very good. It's changing, right?
Sir.
Okay. So now do the same piece of code for different balls also. Okay.
There are only 3 balls, right?
Yes, 3 balls, whatever colors we
So-
have. So now who is the next one who is sharing?
Sir,
Can I share?
Okay.
Sir, can I share? I think something.
Okay. All right. So
Sir, how
give me
did you
one.
change the color?
Okay, so now let's do one thing. Just go back.
So
What
how?
we will do, wait, please wait. Can you go back?
Yeah.
What we will do, red ball, just scroll up for the red ball code. Yeah, scroll up to the very top.
Sir,
Red ball, we will show after 5 seconds.
sir,
We will not show all the balls at one go, correct? Yellow, we will show it
sir?
after 3 seconds.
sir,
Yes.
So how to change the colors of the ball?
You have to
Go
go to
in
the costume.
costumes.
Costume you have to go, right?
sir,
Yes, Agarika.
should we do the same code for all the other dots also?
Yes, we have to do the same thing.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go full screen and show me.
So can you wait for me?
Sure, pleasure. After this, I'll come to you. Let me just see. For
Sir, can you
parameters.
help me?
Let me go to
Sir, I
Krishav
also
after
need-
this.
So then the colors will be different of the balls also.
Balls, how it will be different?
Sir, 1 second, can you show me the code?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So
Code
what
is
if
same,
we,
right? For everyone, code is same, right?
so but the color will be different, no? If we change a little bit.
No, but color of ball is different. But when it is touching, that is okay, correct? Are you with me? We are touching color has to be same as what is there on the spinner sprite.
Okay.
Okay. Krishav, if you can share.
Yes. Sir, how to change?
Sir, I got 11 score.
Very good. Okay.
Sir, how to change this?
So these colors that you're talking about, right? If you're not able to change it, then create a new costume over here, right? You can create a new costume and just create one more circle of that color itself.
Sir, what is this name?
Now you have to convert to vector.
And this also I am fine.
Now first you need to select this circle, right? Let's select the circle. Draw, then change fill over here. So make this one blue color or yellow color, okay? And then delete the first costume. Okay, so you have now do the same thing for the blue color also. Okay. Okay, now let me go to Krish.
So after can I share?
Okay, Anand, let Krish share first. Thank you, Krish. Thank you. Okay. So what you need to do, Krish, you have to duplicate this sprite. Just right click on this sprite and say duplicate. On this sprite, say duplicate.
Yeah.
And name the sprite as yellow.
Then we have to duplicate again.
So let him do coding for this one, then he can duplicate again. Okay. Then go to costume for that. Create a new costume, or if you can or you can change the color. Yeah.
So I finished coding for it also.
Very good. Okay. Now go to code for this. And over here, select that yellow color. If touching yellow color, no, not there, not there. Yeah. Okay. Now do it for the blue color. The same thing, do it for blue color. Okay. Anyone left?
No, sir.
Okay.
Can
So,
I?
yes, Anand, please share.
Sir, when are we starting the code?
Code
We
we are
did,
done
right?
now, right?
We made also.
Like this only, no?
This,
Color.
Yes. And just run it for me. Okay. All right.
This code doesn't change.
What does not change?
So sometimes it becomes. Okay, now it's changing.
Will change, right? Okay. But you need to practice to make sure you are touching red should always touch red. Okay. So green should always touch green.
Okay.
Okay. If you don't do it, then your lives become negative, negative, negative. Correct?
Yes.
Okay.
Sir, next can I share?
Okay, Sagarika.
Sir, but can we make something that will allow the lights, like the lights only to be 5 or something?
So you have to check, right, the live
I'll
counter.
save it. We have to code more.
You have to that is something you need to do as homework now, right? So you should set if lives equal, suppose lives will start as 3. If lives equal 0, okay, then you should stop your program, correct?
Yeah.
So,
Yes, Anand.
so but in my thing, it does not come to 0 once I press the green flag again.
Because your live is not
We are
set
not
as such,
set.
right?
Yeah.
You have to first set your live counter. Okay, when your program start, you will set the lives at 3 or 5 as such, and then it will subtract -1. Okay, Sagarika, please play.
Yes, sir.
But how will we do that if the three lives are done? Then if we have to
Then
stop,
you
so
will
how
do
will
stop all. So there's a stop all function, right? So you will put that in a forever, and you will keep on checking if lives equal -4.
Yeah, but how will? Yeah, I understood.
Okay,
Life
very good,
equal
Sagarika. Okay. Anyone
0.
else wants to show, and I'll talk to you again soon.
No, sir. Wait,
Sir, can you just give me 1 minute?
Okay.
I'll
Sagarika,
share.
you
I'm
are
just
good.
coding for that lives.
Okay.
Nah, I'm not doing that. I'm doing
Stop all.
Okay. Anyone else wants to show?
Sir, I want to, but can you just give me like 1 minute or something?
Okay. How about you, Krisha? Okay, show me, Krisha. Okay, very good. Okay, you have set your lives as 4. Okay.
There are set to 5, but it's showing 4.
But your live counter is not going down. Show me your code. Just stop the program.
When I just did this thing.
Set live. Okay, but these things set live, right? Should be when you click the green flag, right? So at the very start of the program, these things should be set. When you click the green flag, correct? So these two things should be at the green flag as such. Whenever you're going to set the variable.
So where do we have to put set score by?
Sir, can I share one?
Okay. I have to leave. Okay, I have a next meeting
Can I
as such.
show you?
Okay, just one last thing. Okay, I'll next time also you can show me, but please save your work. Okay.
Yeah, I'm just showing. Can
Bye,
you stop
sir.
sharing?
No,
Bye.
can you show me the code once more?
Okay.
Krishan, can you show your code? Set score 20. Okay, thank you, Krishan.
Can I show you? Can you stop sharing?
Now what to do over here?
So these two things should be at the very start of the program, right?
Yes, sir.
So make it after the green flag is clicked. That's okay, but let's make it after the green flag. Okay. Okay. Now this should be only once as such. In any one of the sprites you can have it, not in every sprite. Only one sprite may. It's a global thing, right?
So Meena,
Can I show you once?
Okay, let him just complete. Let him just complete.
Sir,
Okay.
I think that even I want to show you.
So now let's see.
Okay. All right.
Sir, I'm not good at all.
Not, but you have to practice the first time you are playing, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. All
So
right.
can we increase the rotation speed?
That yes, you can do it. You have to turn. You have to change it. Okay. Instead of
Okay.
turn 5 degree, make turn 10 degree.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to do that.
Okay. I will talk to you next time. It's getting
So
late,
can
right?
I just want to
Sir,
show you one. Can
Do
you
it
stop
fast
sharing
and
first?
Yes, only 1 minute.
Okay, Krishan.
Yes, sir.
Please save your work. Okay, score 1. Very good. Okay, very nice. Red is
It
coming.
becomes 0, but it doesn't stop.
Forever. It has to be in a forever block,
Oh
right?
yeah.
Right. Now let me go to Rakshita. Okay.
Yeah, just 2 minutes.
Your lives is 0 only, right? It will not start at all. So at the very start, you have to set your lives, right? When the green
I've
flag.
said.
No, but it has to be when the green flag is clicked, right? At the very start, whenever green flag is clicked, what do you want to do?
Oh.
So you will define every time this at the top of your variable, right?
Set life to 3. Yeah.
Then remove this part, right? When I start as a clone. If you have done it for everywhere, do it everywhere,
No,
okay?
everywhere I did not.
Okay.
So my code is perfect now.
Very nice.
Yeah, I am also. Bye, sir.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Lakshita, I'll talk to you soon, okay? I'm just late by 5 minutes. Bye.
Bye, Krishna. Bye, Arav.
Bye.
Bye, everyone. Bye, sir.
Bye.